This is Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at Amazon, AMZN. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, buy the ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have Amazon, your daily and your weekly chart. Now it's up today here, about $2 here. They had a really good Prime Day, and I think they're going to be doing really good here going into the holiday season. So let's take a look here at the old chart. All right, here we have the daily. Now, the key level here, let's look at the downside first. Okay, well, what you want to do is look at this key 100 SMA here, okay? 131.08. You need to actually close above that. If not, you're going to come down to this 129.82, which is your 21-day, and then we have just below it is 129.68. Okay, so if this 8 SMA can cross back above here, that would look very, very bullish here and take this stock much higher. So let's look at the upside. Well, we want to look here. We want to look at the top of this candle here. Okay, so you're looking at 133.31 here, and then we want to look at this 134.31. That's your 50-day. That is going to be very, very key resistance. Now, if we look to the top of this candle here, this is 134.48. Okay, there's your gap. And then right below here is 135.20. There's your fill. So you have a gap, you have a fill. So again, if you can get above this, okay, then we can also look to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 138.84 here. We have 139.37. And then we can just keep ratcheting these candles, 141.75, which would be the top of this candle where that price channel is. And then we can come up here. You have 143.57, and then your retest is 145.86. Now, when you look at the weekly here, this is going to be tough resistance going ahead here, okay? So you want to look at this 131.75, very key. You have your 8-day right above that, sitting at 132.83. And then your big boy here is going to be this 136.34. Them 200 days are always very, very key level. But again, if you can get above this gap right here and this fill, then we could come up to this 200-day SMA here. That would be very, very good. Now, we'd have to see what happens when it gets there. But again, if you can close above, then you got a good shot here at retesting this 145.86 here. Okay, so this recap here, watch this gap, watch this key 50 SMA here, watch this 8-day, and watch that 200-day on the upside. And then again, if you can, watch this 141.75, and then there's your big retest there. On the bottom, watch here for support is your key level here is going to be that 100-day, and then we have your 21-day, your 8 SMA. Now, again, if that's lost here, you could come all the way down here and retest this 123.04 very, very easily. If that's lost, 115.49 is the target. But we can look at it, see when the gap down and it's sold down here, it put a low in, and then it put a nice higher low in. That's always very bullish. That's what you always want to look for here on these charts here, okay? If you can put that higher low in, that always says go ahead and buy. But again, when this candle here, you got to watch that 50. So you take some off the table here, wait for it to come down here. If it holds support, you can always buy more here and add on. Now, again, if you can close above this 50-day, well, then you can add to your position and then ride it all the way on up here. Now, let's look at the RSI here. Looking very, very bullish here. You're only sitting at 51, long ways to go. You have a really nice bullish cross here on your MACD here. You know, your green is above your red. Very, very nice here. So overall, this is looking really, really good. The key is going to be this 50-day SMA. All right, thanks for watching.